shadow blocks your flight. World keeps turning. It's a beautiful world, and it keeps turning in on itself. In on itself.
You get anything?
Couple of sea trout.
Whitethroat, greenshank, common sandpiper. Anything else?
Crested grebe, red star. There's a pair of tufted duck over in Back Pond.
All right.
All right, see you later.
You give me a hand to finish that fence sometime. Deer keep taking me trees.
Okay.
Oi! Where have you been?
Fishing. I got up early.
Did you? Well, you never came in last night.
So?
Don't talk to me like that. Penny's here.
David, this has got to stop. Now go on, you're going to be late.
What about my birds?
He hasn't got time.
That ain't my fault, is it? I'll be late. Sort the birds out.
Go on.
Hiya, Penny. Both Hambury. Yes. Hello. Well, come in now. Show you around.
He's cute.
He's bored. Pulls his feathers out.
That right?
Shouldn't keep birds like this.
Well, that's none of our business, is it?
It is if you have to look after them. This little owl, it needs mouse or rabbit. Something with a bit of fur and bones in it, not just dog food.
What's up, David? Penny says you've been staying out at night again. And you've been hanging round your mother's place. This is supposed to be a fresh start here, isn't it?
He's a bastard.
You can't expect people to be perfect. We've talked about this. There's a girl starting today. You go and say hello.
I'm gonna be late for school. See ya.
Stop! Where are you going?
My class.
Which is?
Learning Support 3.
God help us. Right name?
David Whitten.
That's one demerit for being late. And one for incorrect uniform.
So, what you have to do, Darren, can you just, yeah, sit down. Shh. Darren and Gary, can you just listen?
I am listening.
No, to me, not to Gary. So, here, who can tell me the verb in this sentence? Come on. You're just quiet. Can we just concentrate on this for a second, please? Tracy, can you read this out to me? Can you read
No,
this? Why not?
Because we're all stupid us.
Okay. Right. Someone else, please. Lee, what about you?
The dog ran towards the house.
Stop that now. And the verb is, Lee.
Ran.
Yes, thank you. Thank you, Lee.
Puff. Fucking Jackie Chan.
Right. That is settle down. Settle down now. Now we're going to look for the word that describes it. Kelly, can you...
David?
David.
What?
I said, what are you looking at?
Great tits.
He's right. She has got great tits.
Hey, Vince! Your nipples have gone out. You can see right through that top.
It was a mistake. She didn't understand what I was saying.
Well, whatever it was, you'll have to say sorry.
All right.
Will you send David back if he's naughty?
No, love, we're all staying here. I'm just a bit cross with David, that's all. Anne-Marie, you said hello to David?
Huh?
Anne-Marie's up from Lancaster. She's staying for a while.
Can I eat my room?
I suppose.
What are you looking at?
Nothing.
Town's a dump.
Yeah.
It's Shitville, they can't keep me here.
What are you doing?
Someone needs to show me around.
No. I can't. It's almost midnight. Just go back.
Don't know the way.
Hey, I thought it were you. This is him. Fucking classic, you laid on halfway. Snobby bitch.
All right.
All right.
My brother.
Who's this?
Anne-Marie,
How old are you then?
16.
Here, fuck.
Do you want to come down the front?
No. Just going back.
No, we won't. Come on. Come on.
Want some whiz?
No.
What about you, street legal?
Come on then.
Chicken.
Fuck off, you stinky bastard!
Shut up. Stop looking at my knickers. No. Just get inside, will you? Shh.